We have a new foundation hack going around, and it involves putting your foundation in water. Every fiber of my being is rejecting this right now. And then you swirl it around. Anyone thirsty? And scoop it onto your face. This technique is supposed to add moisture without any excess oil, and it's supposed to make the skin look even more dewy and radiant. Here goes nothing. This is also supposed to give you longer lasting foundation wear with no transfer. Okay, I love how this foundation is sitting on my skin right now. It looks filtered, yet super skin-like and dewy. Time for a transfer test. Okay, there's a tiny bit, but not bad at all. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. I'll check back in to see how everything lasts. Okay, it's been 5 hours. I haven't touched the skin. Why is this actually good? My foundation is still in one piece. Nothing looks cakey, nothing is separating, and it still looks like skin. I might have to add this into my routine. Are you?